Are you looking for a ready for occupancy home near Clark? Well, ito na ang hinahanap mo. So imagine owning your duplex 2-story premier unit with zero down payment. And yes, zero down payment. Wala ka ng ibang babayaran, magbabayad ka lang ng 10,000 processing fee at may free water and electricity installation ka pa. At hindi lang yan, cash in place ang construction, so ibig sabihin mas matibay, mas safe at long-lasting ang bahay mo. Perfect for starting families, for locally employed, young professionals at OFWs na gusto ng solid investment. For as low as 11,443 per month, may sarili ka ng dream home. This is the home features. This is a finished duplex unit with a 54 square meter lot area and 45.5 square meter floor area. Complete finish with a carport, 1 bedroom, and provisions for 2 bedrooms. Perfect para sa growing family mo. And ang pinakamaganda niya, within 2 to 4 months of waiting, pwede ka nang makalipat. Kaya hindi mo na kailangang mag-rent ng mas matagal. Diretso ka na sa sarili mong tahanan. So, if you want comfort, convenience, and a future-ready home near Clark, send us a message and we'll be glad to assist you. Your dream home is just one inquiry away.